In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix matchmaking error 1 in Fortnite. First thing you want to do is you want to go here, tap in CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to type these following commands. So first, net stop WUA user NV, and then press enter. And then ipconfig /renew and press enter. And then ipconfig flush DNS, and then ipconfig /release, and then ipconfig register DNS. And then lastly, netsh winsock reset. And once you've finished this last command, you can close this down and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, I recommend trying to restart the game. So try to restart Fortnite. And you can do this by simply exiting Epic Games. You can go to Epic Games, click exit, and if you see any games here, just exit them, right click and exit to make sure you exit Fortnite completely. Go back in and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, try to completely restart your computer, and hopefully this fixes your issue.